Do it! I mean, hi, Brew. What do you think of this?
Interpretive dance. I invented.
Harry was doing this on my stoop. It's not right. To this song, playing really loud. My apartment isn't this dirty. Oh, there's August. August, come out and say hi. Bruno, why are you just sitting there like a lump? Oh, there you go. I love you.
Cool. Do I look cool?
I'm not focusing on you, really. I'm focusing more on Bruno. Bruno, go get your octopus. Bru. Hello, my love. Hello.
Do I look cool now?
You look like you did on my stoop, which is scary. It's fucking scary. I don't know. Alright, enough of you. Bruno, what are you doing? Are you dancing? Bru, you wanna dance? Yeah, go dance. Go dance. Oh my god, that's terrifying. It's done.